Hey friends, if you wish to understand Windows Update and security settings in Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and this is the Windows Update page. Now, the most obvious thing that you can do is click on Check for Updates to update your system. And if you turn on this switch, get the latest updates as soon as possible, it will actually prioritize non-security updates. Security updates will be installed on the right time anyway, but for non-security updates, it will start installing it even without your approval. This option is used to pause updates. For example, if I click on pause for 1 week, it will pause it for 1 week and mention the date here. I can immediately resume it if I want to. This pane is for the update history. It shows all the recently installed updates if you expand it, and it also allows you to uninstall them if needed. The next one is advanced options. Okay, so one thing is that you can receive updates for other Microsoft products like Microsoft Office directly. So I usually turn it on because I want updates for Microsoft Office products. The next one is get me up to date, restart as soon as possible after finishing and updating. Now, if you turn this switch on, it will give you a warning and then restart your computer in, let's say, 15 minutes. If you do not, what do we say, do away with that warning or postpone it. So I don't want to switch it on because I want to keep working on it, but you can choose according to your own needs. And I'll tell you why you don't need to switch it on, because if you turned on this switch here, get the latest updates, your system will be updated anyway when you restart it. Unless you don't restart it at all, you don't need that option. The next one is to download updates over metered connections. So when your connection is metered, okay, if you want to save data, Windows updates will not download, at least for quite a while, except for the security updates. But if you check this one, then it will. Now I don't use a metered connection, so I never get into this. The next one is notify me if a restart is required to finish updating. I do not check this one because I keep restarting my system often, or I at least shut it down. But there are people who do not shut down the system for months. They simply lock it or put it in the sleep mode. So if you're one of those, then you can use this option. And then you can check active hours. Now I'll tell you what it means by active hours. Your system will only download updates on non-active hours. Okay, and you can change them, like you can change it to manually, and you can change the active hours manually. Now the next page is with the, again we go to advanced options. Next page is with delivery optimization. Now, what does delivery optimization do? It allows you to share your updates with other computers or use the updates from other computers on your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to our channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.